Hey everybody, this is James at Rattlesnake Defense. Today I want to talk to you about a couple different things. One is a neat find that I have here, and the other is also why it's important to maybe have some of this stuff in your hands before you agree to purchase it. So, this is the Sig 320 Flux Legion. I have very much looked forward to this coming in. I think this is a very neat piece, right up my alley. It's, I don't know how practical it is, but it's really cool, and it does like the neatest thing ever. If I can get it. All right, so it's a 320, on a chassis. This extends out. You have a magazine holder up front, magazine on the back, ported, optics mount. The back is such a way that you can't get too close to it. It'll block it. You have a double magazine release where you can release one or both magazines at the same time, making reloading a lot easier, and then standard pistol controls all around. I really look forward to this coming in. I thought I would love this for sure. I thought this would be right up my alley, and I was completely wrong. All right, so sometimes you see something online, you see videos of it, you think, man, that's really cool, I'd love to have that. And I'd say most of the time you're probably right, but every once in a while you come across something like this that, I mean, if you like this and you think the Flux is awesome, I have no beef with that whatsoever. I'm not that guy. I'm not going to tell you that you're wrong. I don't like it. It doesn't fit me very well. Although this is super cool, it doesn't make up for the fact that I thought I was going to break it the first time I took the stock back down. I mean, it's rough, and then you have to really, where it's spring-loaded, you have to really press on it. The magazines are cool. The magazine release mechanism is neat. It gets in my way a little bit. It changes the weight of the gun a lot. It's balanced really weird. It's got the ports here, but it's got this really weird area here that's kind of open and seems like it needs something. It's almost like something's missing on the front. And I find myself instinctively reaching for a charging handle, and there's no charging handle, and you can't get it back here, so you have to grab it by the front to operate the mechanism. Now, you know, the pistol controls are fine, and you know, a 320 is a known quantity. You guys know how these shoot. This one's going to be the same as any of the other 320s, in my opinion. But I think this is, for $1,500, the fact that it does this one cool thing is not enough for me to justify the price. As you hold it, the sights, the open sights are really low. And then, of course, you can put something up here, which is going to add this something to the space right here that's going to make it a lot harder to carry. And I don't like it. I look forward to this for months coming in, and it comes in, and I'm not a fan, and that happens. So you know, it's one of those things that if you guys see something like this, especially something that's uncommon, and you think it's really cool, it is important to try to get your hands on one to make sure that it fits you as well as it can, so that you know what you're purchasing. I'm as guilty as anybody else from ordering stuff online or special ordering something and getting it in and then not liking it. That's a thing that absolutely happens. You know, what can I say? I like guns. I like ordering guns. I like getting new stuff in. I like different things. But once I got my hands on this, I was pretty disappointed. You know, I'm just not sure it just doesn't fit me right. You know, it doesn't feel well to me. I feel like I could use just a standard handgun with a magazine like this easier than I could use this. So just kind of a PSA out there. You know, it's that time of year. There's a lot of smoking deals online, a lot of Black Friday sales. A lot of deals are going to come up. So, you know, if you're confident that you like something, you can order it, that's fine. But be aware of the risk that every once in a while you're going to come across something that just isn't what you expected. And there's nothing worse than being disappointed. So that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think.